Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this tutorial, I will explain what params are in Postman and how you can use them in your API request. You will learn how to pass values through the URL, how they work in GET request, and how they help in filtering or searching data. So let's start and see how params actually works in Postman. Create a new request, click on new and then click on HTTP. This is method. Select a get method and then enter URL or paste text here. Open Chrome browser and this is the API for get post. Click on pretty print. You can click on pretty print and here user IDs are available. You can view here user ID, title and body. Scroll down, here multiple IDs are available. Suppose we have a scenario and we want to filter only user ID which is equal to 1. Copy this complete URL, open Postman and then click on send. Request is successfully sent and by default we are getting response in a JSON format in Postman because this is easy to readable in JSON format and 200 OK response code. One option here available params. In params we need to define a here key and value. So scenario here, we want to filter only user ID which is equal to 2. If you are searching any product, suppose e-commerce website, and you want to filter any specific category, so you can easily search category or any record by using params. Enter key here, user ID, and here you can view changes in a URL. If you made changes here, you can view here in URL and then enter value here. Enter here 2 and this is the complete URL, base URL. This is the base URL and slash post. This is the path and we want to filter user ID is equal to 2. Now click on send. In the response, we can view user IDs 2 we are getting in a response. Now here in a response, user IDs is equal to 2. Let's add changes here. User ID is equal to 3. Now we are getting all informations. User ID 1, user ID is equal to 2 or 3 because you need to exactly enter which is user ID. User ID in a same format. Otherwise, this searching will not work. Enter here again user ID and then click on send. Now we are getting only user IDs is equal to 3 and 200. Okay, response request successful. The server has responded as required. So that's how you can use params in Postman. It is a simple but very useful feature when working with APIs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel and comment below what topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.